Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will study unit number 2, poem part, geography lesson written by Julfikar Ghosh. The preface of the poem is that can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion, like a geometric design, it would strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. Here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style. When the jet sprang into the sky, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill from the height. It was not clear why. Now, the summary is the poem is about the way Earth looks from different altitudes. It is divided into three parts. When the jet takes off and starts to climb up in the sky, you can have full height view of the city. The city grew as per its necessity and did not grow as per proper planning. It does not have any particular style. With the rising up of the jet, the map of the city down below shows the length of a mile corresponding just to 6 inches. When the jet climbs higher up to about 10,000 feet, he could apprehend the fact that cities grew on water resources. Water fulfilled the necessity like agriculture, transport, business, and others. He found that valleys were populated which met the necessities of the people. When the jet went above 6 miles, there is more water than land on the earth. While appreciating the geographical niceties of our planet, the poet is unable to understand the tendency to build borders, to erect walls, to erect fences. Then he reflected that people on earth are selfish and narrow and they hate each other. He found the earth to be one, but not the people living on this earth. They are divided by shallow corners. The poet implies that we should realize that if God made earth is one undivided whole, so is humanity in spite of our racial, cultural, and ethnic differences. Why we still hate or kill each other is beyond the poet's understanding. So here the meaning also completed. Now I am reading some Word meaning: proportion means measure, sprang means here flew or soared, scaled means here measured, inevitability means certainly or unavoidability, haphazard means disorderly or disorganized, populated means inhabited, delineated means shown or represented. I hope you will read at least 3 to 4 times this poem and understand. If you not understand, ask me. I will give you its again. Okay. See you in next class. Thank you.